Hello YouTube Nation. In this video, I want to talk about what gears did I use to start a YouTube channel in this weird year, 2020. When I first started this YouTube channel and I taking videos seriously, one gear I always wanted the most was a gimbal. I remember dreaming of a crazy shots I can get. Once I got the equipments, I was like, I don't know what to do. You always hear the phrase that the gear doesn't matter. I fully agree with that. The thought behind that phrase is that you need to just you just begging out there and making things practicing regardless of gears you have. You shouldn't let your gear stop you making things, but on the other side of coin, the gear does matter. If you're already practicing and already making things, the gear is gonna help you. Today, vlogging grabs more importance than blogging because of people attached with the blog, which is interesting, and vloggers are using video instead of content in vlog. And YouTube has become the greatest and most popular stage of sharing video content on the web. It's a great platform where the people show their creativity. I don't have the knowledge of creative content that attracts people for now. Making quality videos isn't as simple as it looks. Here I want to show you the tools that will help me to get started with my vlogs, because I believe that these tools will make my life easier. As a new YouTuber, I may need a camera to record videos, but before I had the store, I know that I don't have to purchase the most expensive DSLR. I can use pretty much anything that can record high quality video. Smartphone and a quality camcorder or the webcams will be suffice. I do have my own another YouTube channel, but this is all about promoting my online merch. And to me, it seems like I might be asking this question because I'm interested in starting a channel myself. So from that standpoint, the first thing that I need to do is figure out what kind of videos I want to make. Regardless of this kind of video I want to make, the audio and the camera is extremely important. In fact, it's probably the most important thing. After a ton of uncertainties and apprehensions later, here I am with my second ever video shot entitled my Samsung A71. I wanted to use a good camera and keep the sound quality smooth with an external microphone. The reason why nobody wants to hear jittery video with your voice sounding as if you are speaking from inside of a cave. I have lots of planning going into my mind these days about successful YouTube videos. Before pressing record, I had tried to find out what equipment works best for me, how to turn my ideas into a story, and what other steps I can take to be ready for my shots. I am a beginner, then I should focus on content. My contents are sometimes will be unique, and who knows, it may be interesting. I know equipment plays major role in the video quality, but initially I did invest money in equipment for my new journey. In this journey, the first equipment I bought was a Boya external microphone, most important equipment for vlogging in my view. Remember that even if you record high quality cinema footage, you are going to have trouble keeping your viewers interested. If the audio is terrible and a built-in laptop or a camera, microphones that usually have bad audio quality as they are not able to record or eliminate ambient sounds effectively. So the second next important tool that I bought was a making YouTube video is a professional camera for vlogging. And the camera is the second most important tool for vloggers because I like to capture high quality images and shoot high merged videos. It's gonna make my vlog attractive. I prefer to continue with 4K footage. That is why I use a Samsung A71 smartphone, which allows me to capture images without pixelate, and Wi-Fi is inbuilt in this device, so I can immediately transfer the footage to my editing software system. I think that is the best choice for my way. Is practically every smartphone on the market comes with two things that make video recording easy and fun: a decent amount of free space to store video files, and a camcorder, the function for making them. So the third next important tool that I bought was the DJI Osmo Mobile 4. Well, in my view, actually necessarily comments about being worth or not. Well, based on the price, I will, however, tell you this, that it is investment no matter what. Especially if you are able to find some good deal for it. Why I will buy this is because it's portable and it has variety of features in the DJI Go app. The most prominent on being the face recognition and tracking feature. With this feature, I can keep the Osmo standing with additional accessories. And once I'm in the middle of the frame, when you see the view through your phone, if you move to your left or right, the gimbal itself will move in that direction, trying to follow you, which is amazing for me. I was amazed at how different quality was in producing smoother, less shaky, and more professional looking video. Um, and I'd like to ask you, what gear did I miss to use? Do you think that I need any equipment to use for more efficient footage? Please help a fellow fledgling creator. I would love to hear your suggestions and constructive criticism. This was all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked the video, please subscribe to this channel for more new contents bi-weekly at the moment. Once I figure out everything that I need to learn, I will post new videos 3 times a week. Please also leave your comment down below whatever content you would like to see from me. Would you like to be part of my next video? Well, why not? We will meet again in this soon. Until then, stay safe. Thanks a lot for watching me one more time. Happy New Year, by the way. Peace.